Okay, installing a package of bees. Fortunately, mouse got to my bees this winter, so I've got to start again. So, my sprayer's working, it is. Spray them down a little bit so they're wet and they can't fly as well. Too busy cleaning themselves off. Take our tool, pop the cover. Cover out. Okay. First thing we're going to do is we're going to get this queen out. In order to do that, give it a little tap so that they fall to the bottom. Now I gotta use my tool to get this can out. And lift out the queen cage. Okay. The queen comes in a little cage. She's marked with a little yellow dot, because yellow is this year's color, I think. I think it's yellow. Guess we'll find out. And if we look at the cage has candy in one end and a cork in the other. Oh, it looks like it's green. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop the cork out of the candy end and put it in candy side up, and the bees will spend the next couple of days eating through this candy block to let her out. Take our trusty little pocket knife here. Take out the cork. I'm going to take my push pins here, push them in to the side to create a way for me to hang this between two of the frames in here. Okay. Try and pull off this strap. Just cut it off, I guess. And in between two of the frames she goes. Oh, I hope she'll fit. Yep, let's make a little more room. Big queen cage. Hey there. Well, I'll take a couple frames out. Whoops. Sorry, ladies, you're going to have to fix that. Put her in there. Right, like that. And get it good and tight in there. Wedge this one back in there. There we go. Okay. Now we got her there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take a box, put it on top. This is going to be what I dump the bees into. Just going to dump them from the package into there, shake them out, and they're all going to go down inside. So, first we give it another quick little whack, get them all to the bottom. This is a good sized package of bees from Barker's Bees here. Okay. Out comes the can of food. And in goes the bees. I'm going to put this right out front, so the rest will come out. What I'm doing is I'm waiting for them to mostly get down inside the box, because when that happens, I'm going to take off this top box that I just used as a funnel. I'm going to put what's called an inner cover on top, and I'm going to put a couple of jars of food plus the jar that they came with on top of that inside this box, and then put the outer cover on top of that. So it'll go the bottom, the brood chamber, the inner cover, this box to protect the feeders from other wildlife, the feeders, and then the outer cover. This was a box of comb that I had from last year that I extracted the honey from, but there's still some honey left in it. So I'm hoping that they'll be able to use that as additional food as well. The weather around here has not been wonderful, but today's actually not too bad. But they won't go out and do much today because I don't really know where they are. It's going to take them a little while to get acclimated to their new house. One of the benefits of buying packages of bees is that the bees have essentially done what's called a brood break, which means that there haven't been any new bees laid in quite a while. Which means that if they happen to have any varroa mites, which is the biggest pest of bees, those mites don't have any place to go and breed. They haven't been able to go and make any new mites, so they're going to die off. So these essentially start off mite-free, and I only have to treat later on in the season. Treatment is as easy as just opening up the hive and putting in a couple of what are called apivar strips. You can only do it when you aren't collecting honey because it's dangerous for the honey. But it's basically oxalic acid that sublimates, and goes from its solid to a gas and kills the mites that are on the bees. And of course, it's starting to rain, just what I didn't want to happen. Okay, so I'm going to try and get this inner cover in so that I can get this closed up. The inner cover is going to go notch up so that when they come in, they're right at the food source here. Then they can go in through the hole down into the rest of the hive. So, careful ladies. They are all ladies at this point. There's probably very, very, very few male drone bees here. Out of the way, ladies. I want to kill you on your first day. I don't want to kill you at all. Inner cover on. Protective box. For the food source. And now our jars of food. So I don't want to put it right over the hole, because that's where the queen is, and if for some reason they leak, I don't want them to leak all over her. These are just sugar syrup. Little holes poked into the lid. Just simple sugar syrup. 1 pound of water, 1 pound of sugar. Or more in my case, I make it 5 pounds at a time. Which is also exactly what is in this can that came with them in the package. We'll let them drink that as well. Okay, we're pretty well done here. Didn't even have to use my gloves. So now what I'll do is I'll put on the outer cover, protect them from the rain. We've got a few stragglers in the package there. What'll happen is these here will start to put off a pheromone that says, hey, we're over here, and then they'll go. What I'll do is I'll actually move this package right up on its side, right here, make it easier for them to find home. Take my sprayer, my pocket knife, gloves that I didn't need. You can see that some bees, probably can't see it, but some bees have already found where there was some spilled honey from last year, some propolis from last year. So they're already collecting supplies, which is a good sign. I'll make sure that that hole's knocked in the inner cover. Yep, it's working. Okay, so I grab this. Now, you can see they are coming and going from the top hole there. And on the bottom, they've just got a little entrance because I need them to build up their strength before they're going to be able to protect from other predators out here. Looks like I knocked the box a little crooked, so I'm going to straighten that out. But other than that, package installed. 18 minutes later. I'm the Beekeeping Bushman. Have a good day.